Hey there, it's Chris here from Lexus of Edmonton, certified Lexus technician, and today we're going to talk about battery maintenance and battery health. I can speak for our Lexus models, all of our the more modern the vehicle, the more computers there are in the vehicle. Many things, always talking, always communicating, and that is always a draw on your battery. Now, some will go to sleep and nothing completely shuts off. Here we have one of our load testers, one of our diagnostic charging systems. This can test for we can charge the battery quicker, we can do battery testing, and we can do like a boost charge as well with this particular unit. So quickly here we're going to go through a charge with our dynamic diagnostic charging system here. We've already pre-entered all the information. It is either entered manually or scanned with the scan bar tool here. So right quickly we'll just continue. So it's testing it. This one here is deeply discharged, so this one needs a little bit more time on the charger. When you bring in your vehicle for any services, we'll check your battery, and any major mechanical services will always charge your battery while working on your vehicle. The average lifespan of a vehicle, or battery, sorry, if you treat it right, will be anywhere between 5 to 7 years. If you guys like to see anything else on battery health, anything else regarding your vehicle, don't hesitate. Shoot us a message and we'll upload a video just for you, and gives it that much more of a personal touch.